In this video, we'll cover how to replace your Furrion Tankless water heater. The tools required to perform this procedure include wrenches appropriate to your hardware, a cordless drill, bits appropriate to your hardware, wire strippers, a utility knife, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic putty scraper. Some consumable items required for this procedure include low-odor mineral spirits, shop towels, butyl tape, silicone caulk, and wire connectors. Before getting started, turn off the tankless water heater. Close the valves supplying water to the coach, and close any water or gas valves that run directly to the water heating unit. From the coach's interior, begin by decoupling the water supply connected to the water inlet pipe on the water heater. Next, decouple the hot water outlet pipe from the pressure release valve. Using wrenches suitable to your hardware, decouple the gas line to your water heater. Using wire strippers, cut the electrical leads running to your water heater. From the coach's exterior, unlatch and remove the door to gain access to the unit's water heater compartment. Remove the baffle. With a utility knife, cut around the perimeter of the appliance housing in order to separate the silicone seal from your coach. With a cordless drill, remove the screws mounting the appliance housing to the exterior of your coach. With a flathead screwdriver, pry the appliance housing free of any sealant that is still holding it in place. The appliance housing can now be pulled free of the unit. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the unit's flange away from the exterior of the unit. The unit can now be removed from the coach. Prep the exterior of the coach using your plastic putty scraper, and remove any leftover silicone caulk, butyl tape, or any adhesive or sealant left over on the coach's exterior. You may also need to clean any adhesive from the mounting flange on the unit housing. With the old unit removed and the surfaces prepared, we can now install our replacement Furrion Tankless water heater. Apply butyl tape to the unit's mounting flange. Carefully install the water heater to your coach, ensuring that the adhesive on the mounting flange is in contact with the exterior-facing wall of your RV. Using a cordless drill, install the appliance housing to your unit. The baffle may be pre-installed to the appliance housing. Run a bead of gunnable 100% silicone sealant around the perimeter of the appliance housing. Use mineral spirits and a clean rag to wipe any excess free of the surface of your coach. From the coach's interior, install the water line to the water heater's cold water input port. Next, install the hot water line to the unit's hot water outlet port. Next, install your gas line to the unit's gas inlet port. Tighten the line down using wrenches applicable to your hardware. With a wire connector, splice the red and white wire to the black wire. Next, splice the two white wires together using a new wire connector. Splice the solid red to the solid blue wires using a new connector. Next, splice the two blue wires together with your fourth wire connector. Finishing up, you'll want to restore water to your unit. Open any water or gas valves to your water heater, and then power your water heater back on. Replace the door to your access hatch to complete your Furrion Tankless water heater replacement procedure.